We are so excited to have you here, guys.
Lapoint Alentejo is situated in a little bit remote area in the south of Portugal, more or less 2 hours drive from Lisbon airport, and you can come here by car, or if you don't have one, we will be happy to pick you up. We have a transfer service. It's a very nice and pleasant 2-hour drive here to the south. Let's go. Welcome to our home in Alentejo. This is our swimming pool. Perfect place to chill and relax after the surf lessons. We have our dining table here. This is where we normally have our family breakfasts, lunches and dinner all together. Very nice and cozy. We have a pizza oven here. We have a pizza night here at the camp, normally on Wednesday. And then we do our pizza. We bake our fresh pizzas there in the oven. It's delicious. This is our kitchen. The food in Alentejo is great here at the camp. We always try to use local products as much as possible and prepare everything freshly made for you every day. And this is our living room. A perfect place to chill, a great place to get some work done if you need to. We have a TV here, a big TV, so we do some movie nights here as well as very important surf series.
Okay guys, so here in Lapoint Alentejo, we are surf focused. You are 50 minutes away from the beaches by car, but don't worry because you are always going to offer you transport to our surf lessons and to the free surf sessions. This region of Alentejo is super good for every level of surfing, from beginner to advanced, and of course you are going to provide you with a proper board for your level. Besides the surf lessons and the free surfing, we have surf theories and surf trainings because we know how important our mobility is for surfing. Then you have of course the practice, where you spend at least 3 hours every day in the water.
Alentejo has amazing, beautiful nature, and we do our best to embrace it as much as possible.
See you soon, guys.